Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a summer 2025 Barrier Breaker Scholar, and I am so glad to be part of this program. I've gotten so many resources that have helped me with my law school application components, as well as specialized advising and just a really caring advisor who's been so helpful. And it just feels like so many people in the program have wanted me to succeed and have helped me out and have helped me with confidence, and I know more about this system, which is really great, especially as a first generation college graduate and law student who's been figuring things out. There's also just such a supportive community of these incredible scholars that you really feel like you get to know throughout meetings and chats and everything else. And in addition, it's really valuable to know that this program will continue supporting me even though I've filled in my applications, even when I'm getting into law schools and comparing scholarships, and even check-ins when I'm in law school. And this is such a great community of these people all in different stages, and I have loved the program so much, and I'm very grateful for it.